back open. I'm drenched. We did not bring back the waterfall, as I said, was on the list of things to repair. They used to be by the tunnel back in the good old days. But they did so bring back the water blasters that were on the sewer, and if you paid in the day a token to spray someone from on the sewer, those will work again. Nowadays, there's no token. Now you give it like your credit or debit code for $5 to spray someone. And these waterfalls here seem much more stronger than how I remember them the last couple of years. I remember one year they won't even turn on off season, but that's not the case here. The grass path says it's closed, but that's not right. It's open. So I had to wait in the regular line, which is fine. That was only 20 minutes. The line moved quickly because there's 12 seats per raft, which is the reason why I picked this over the Yankee Clipper. And I can't resist. How much wants to pay a token to get someone back? Someone got us. Well, then the line is what? How long is this? It was only a 20-minute wait. I sure kept tracking the way I did it. Yep, I proved it. Knock goes off. So that lady in the black tape top is on the line. Alright, well I want to thank the maintenance team very much for spending lots of money to renovate this. This was a 2-year project. Last year they got 75 to 78% done. This year they did the last little bit they did the last year. Okay, so those are the last bits. I want to show you these new water blasters. No more machine over there. Now you just swipe your card here, and of course, there you get someone. Okay, I think I'll give it a try with 2 water. I'll end this deal here.